to stay safe. We will, of course, follow this situation and have more at 11. But before then, let's go back to Gemma, because, Gemma, I know these pictures right here really tell the story. You have some pictures of your own, though.
Yes. And new reports, more hail. This in Midnapore. Tammy sent this in. This is what she captured in her backyard. Dave in Silverado also got toonie-sized hail. This is Brian's picture from earlier this afternoon of the supercell over Lake Fraser Drive, and Dave Bishop also captured the supercell looking over East Hill. Severe thunderstorms moving through Calgary and area. We're still under a severe thunderstorm warning. A number of watches still in place, as well as some heat warnings. Current temperature is only 17 degrees.
Ano, the TV. Oh, jeez. They're huge.